Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini with your power button. First, navigate to your device's settings menu. Look for options related to digital assistants or gestures. Here, you can enable Gemini and assign its activation to your power button. This setup ensures quick access to your AI assistant whenever you need it, making your device even smarter and more responsive to your commands. Once configured, accessing Gemini is straightforward. Simply press and hold your device's power button for about 1 to 2 seconds. You'll hear an audible cue or see a visual indicator confirming Gemini is ready. Then, clearly state your command or question. For example, you can ask for the weather, set a timer, or send a quick message. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. You can personalize how your power button interacts with Gemini. Dive into the assistant settings to modify the press duration required for activation, perhaps making it quicker or slightly longer to avoid accidental triggers. Some devices also allow you to link Gemini to specific apps, enabling context-aware assistance. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your daily routine and enhances your overall experience. If you encounter any issues, a few simple steps can help. First, verify your device's accessibility settings to ensure no conflicts exist. A quick restart often resolves temporary software glitches. Also, regularly update your Gemini application and device operating system to benefit from the latest features and performance improvements. These practices ensure your Gemini experience remains smooth and reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.